Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Farid bin Azmi and my team member is Muhammad Azrin Hakimi and Aguswi. My teammates want to display on how to build the previous lattice structure using suitable materials. We must build 4 type cubic. First, simple cubic. Second, BCC. Third, FCC, and then lastly HCC. After that, we discuss each type of the produced lattice structure, including the atomic packing factor (APF).
Hi guys, today I want to show you how we calculate APF in simple cubic. So for APF, in simple cubic, we have two formula to remember. First, we have A equal to 2R, and the second one, APF equal to volume of atom in unit cell over total unit cell volume. For simple cubic APF, we have 8 atom at the corner of the cube. So if we combine all the corner, we can get one ball of atom. So now we through to the how we calculate APF. So for APF, we have one atom times 4/3 pi r cube. So this is sphere for formula, and this one for we need to times with atom over A/3. For A/3, we have 2 times r. We change it to 2r cube. For at the next one, after we times one atom times 4/3 pi r cube, we can get 4/3 pi r cube, and over 2 for 2r cube, we need to separate it to each one. So 2 power of 3 and r power of 3. So because we will separate it, we want to cancel r cube, so no more r cube. And then we can get 4 pi over 3 times 8 cube. Now we can cancel it, 4 and 8. So 4 become 1, 8 become 2. So we can get pi over 6. Now we calculate pi over 6, you can get 0.52. This answer is not done yet. Now we need to change it to percentage. So we times 100, we can get 52% for APF simple cubic. Okay, so we solve this equation. We can get 8/3 pi r cube over 4 cube r cube over square root 3 cube. So we can cancel for radius. So after we cancel it, we solve it we simplify. We got 8 pi equal times square root 3 power of 3 over 3 4 cube. So we key in into the calculator. We got 0.68. So this is not final answer. We need to convert it to the percentage. We need to times 100. Now we can get 68%. That's all. Hello guys. Now we want to prove how we get APF at FCC 0.74. So we have a formula for FCC. A equal to 2r square root 2. So for A, we need to simplify it first. So we get a squared plus a squared, we got 2a squared. So for r squared, we need to times 2. We get 16 r squared over 2. So now we can cancel 2. So for after we cancel it, we get a squared equal to square root 8 r squared. So we need to simplify it. We got a equal to 8r square root. So we simplify 8r, we get 2 square root 2r. So so our formula for A, we got 2 square root 2r. Now we move to APF formula. So we key in all of the information into APF formula. So how we get 4 atoms? So I want to show you for APF cubic. So at the corner we have 1, 2, 3, 4. At the bottom 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total at the corner we got 8 over 8 equal to 1. So at the face we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 with a half sphere. So we need to, for full, we need to divide by 2. We got 3. So total for atom 3 plus 1 equal to 4. We got 4 atoms. That's why we have to put 4 atoms at the formula. For the atom, we need to times with sphere formula. We got 4 over 3 pi r cube over a cube. So for a cube, we need to key in. We need to key in the formula we have simplified. So we have we need to times first. After we times, we get 16 over 3 pi r cube. And for the a3, a cube got 2 square root 2 r cube. So we need to factorize this first to cancel r cube. After we factorize it, we got we move 3 to the downside. We got 3 2 cube in the bracket square root 2 cube r cube. So now we can cancel r cube. We got 16 pi over 3 times 2 cube times 2 square root cube. After we calculate in calculator, we got 0.74. This is not done yet. We need to times 0.74 to 100 to get 74% APF at FCC APF. That's all. Hey guys, now I want to show you how we calculate APF at hexagonal cubic. So we have been given C equal to 1.633A. So firstly, we need to find how many atoms at hexagonal cube. So at the top side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 atom at the corner. So we have top and the bottom. Each total atom at the corner, we have 12. We have 12 atom. And at the top side, we have one. Each side we call 1/6, and all. And this at the top and the bottom. So for at the top and the bottom we have one and a half atom at the middle. So it should be 1/2. So we have top and bottom with times 2, and at the in the shape in hexagonal, at the middle we have one more triangle atom, which is 1, 2 and 3. That's why we plus 3. So 1, we can cancel it, 6 and 12. So 12 become 2 and 6 become 1. So 1/1 equal to 1. 1 times 2 equal to 2. So 1, and this one we got 1/2 times 2. That become 1, and 3 atom from the middle. So we add all of this number, we can get 6. So hexagonal, we have 6 atom. Now we want to find the volume of atoms. So VA we need to times 6 atom times sphere volume, 4/3 pi r cube. So we got V 8 pi r cube. This is VA equation. So we want to find area of AOB. Firstly, we need to come out on this hexagonal top and we draw. So for the top we have 6 triangle at the top, and we can find 60 degree each angle. So if we come out this triangle, we can get AOB. So we know that A and the distance A to B is equal to A. So we assume AO is A and OB is also A. So now we can use this information into this formula. 1/2 times with AB times OP. So 1/2 AB, we know that distance A to B is A. That's why we change it to A. And AO also A. Distance AO is also A. And times sin 60. So we times 1/2 with sin 60, we got square root 3/4, and A times A equal to A squared. This one first our equation for area AOB. Now we want to find area of hexagonal, the total of area this shape. So 6 atom times our formula, our area AOB, and square root 3/4 A squared. Now we get the second equation for area hexagonal face. 3 square root 3/2 times A squared. So so now we want to find VC equal to area of hexagonal force times height. So we know that area of hexagonal force 6 r squared times square root 3, and height is 6. So we calculate it, we get 33.87 r cube. So the last equation, the last information, all information we have find the answer, we need to plug in APF formula. So APF formula is VA over VC. We know that VA is 8 pi r cube, and VC 33.87 r cube. So we calculate we key in the calculator, and we got APF equal to 0.74. This is not done yet, so we need to convert 0.74 into percentage. We need to times 100, so we get 74%. That's all.